Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will discuss how to add services to a room booking using the GoBright portal. I'm firstly going to book a room, so I'm going to search on my map for a particular day and I'm going to search. I'm going to click on a room and I'm going to book it. This room has already been designated as a room to be able to accept service orders, and we see services at the bottom of the booking area. So I'm just going to give this a name. And I can then add some services. So firstly, I'm going to add in some drinks, and that's going to be coffee. And I can add 5 coffees, say, and we can give this to a cost center. If you don't have cost center set up, then don't worry, it's not obligatory. We're going to have the coffee at the start of the booking, and I'm going to click add. As our meeting goes on, then we might want to have some lunch. So I'm going to add in some wraps, and we're going to have a chicken wrap. And again, I can change the cost center for that, and I'm going to change the number of wraps as well. But this time we don't want it at the start of the booking. We want it at a particular time. And I'm going to specify that time, and we'll say we'll have it at 3:30. And I can add. Because I've got the cost centers set up, then I need to just approve that myself to give authorization that I can do that. I've also got a summary of my order, so I've got 5 coffees and 5 chicken wraps. So if I go up and save, that has booked my meeting room, and it's also booked the services which will come at those particular times that I set out in my order. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.